The lid is designed with a little notch to keep the button from turning on. When you turn the button on, the light comes on and it automatically heats up. And the switch turns it right off. Is it heavy duty? No. It's about an 8 watt. Maybe a little wire fix or whatever. But it comes out nice. Really easy to use. Takes 4 AA batteries. This unit costs about $15. Replacement, I believe it costs about $5. Heats up pretty quick, cools down pretty quick. Very easy to use. If you're going to use it for a half an hour, you really should get an electric one. For just small repairs, this is a great tool.